I'm Vinay Jadhav, working with NDPL in IT department for last 3 years. And from last 2 days, I'm here with Mr. Engineer Anil Kumar Verma and getting the lesson about this thoughts for improvement. In 2 days, I came to know that I'm lagging behind with lots of problems like I'm not a good listener and anger I'm having and lots of. But now I will improve those and will try to be a good person, a genuine person, and will implement these all to my company.
Hello,
Thank
I
you.
am Rohit Watts, Assistant Manager in NDPL. I took training from this course and it was really very wonderful course for me. I would like to apply the communication topic, which was very much helpful to me in my day-to-day job itself also. Besides this, the 5 minutes daily talk to myself will also be very much beneficial. I would like to thanks to Mr. Anil Verma for this wonderful course that I have been given the opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My name is Manjeet Singh. I am Assistant Manager at Nor Delhi Parliament in the Business Development Group. I have gone through a 2-day intensive training program in the Thought Improvement, by the name of the Thought Improvement Program. The modules which I really liked and highly relevant to me are the brain terrain, in which I realized that time is the ultimate resource and peace and happiness is the ultimate destination. And the paths which are in and the small destinations which are interlinked in between these were very knowledgeable for me. The other module which I really liked and is highly relevant in my present job is the communication. And I also found knowledgeable the four theorems as well.
My name is Vishal Mistal, working as HOG RNC in RPG Group at District Civil Lines. I attended the program conceived by Mr. Anil Verma on the Thought Improvement Program. It was a good revision of all the goodies we already know and told by Mr. Anil Verma, and we will definitely implement those theorems and all studies to work upon.
I am Kapish Rustugi. I am an assistant manager working with North Delhi Power Limited. Recently gone through the 2 days training program on thought process improvement conducted by Mr. Anil Verma of Digital Educare. And basically the whole program, there were different contents, but it was basically aiming at improving you as an individual, and I would also take the lessons that have been taught and try to develop myself as a better individual, which would ultimately definitely be helping myself only to achieve whatever I have planned in life. So I think it was a very beneficial program as far as I am concerned.
My name is Vikram Singh Khan. I am legal retainer and presently working in District Pritampura. In the last 2 days I have attended this TEAP program, that is Thought Improvement Program, and it was quite helpful for me. The program which most I like, which touched me, is speaking power, the speech basic therapy, and other was is about thought, how to improve yourself. Something that you touch on the last part, that was theorem, inequality, how to overcome the inequality aspect.
Hi, my name is Paritosh Singh. I'm in North Delhi Power Limited. Initially, when I came for this program, I was basically not expecting much, but later on, like Mr. Verma said, you should introspect. So we do it daily, sometime or the other. But I just thought about it yesterday, and I thought that yes, it was not a bad thing because it just opened up. And today, maybe we distracted him a lot yesterday, and because of which we were not able to gain a lot today. But things were good, and the training program is fine. We'll make a change if you implement, because many of the things we are already knowing, they are in us. But we cannot just invoke it. We need an external stimulus to do that. And that stimulus was there. I personally feel that this program should not be a 2-day affair. You know, it should be kind of a series, so that you can just build upon. I thank Mr. Verma.